Ephesians chapter 3, verses 14 to 19. For this reason I kneel before the Father, from whom every family in heaven and on earth is named, that he may grant you in accord with the riches of his glory, to be strengthened with power through his Spirit in the inner self, and that Christ may dwell in your hearts through faith, that you, rooted and grounded in love, may have strength to comprehend with all the holy ones what is the breadth and length and height and depth, and to know the love of Christ that surpasses knowledge, so that you may be filled with all the fullness of God. This section of Ephesians 3 includes a prayer for those reading Paul's letter. The prayer asks you to be strengthened through the power of the Holy Spirit in your inner self. For what in this season of life do you need strength? To use Hildegard's language, what in your life needs a greening, needs new life? Paul writes of finding strength from being rooted and grounded in love. Who or what in your life helps you to stay rooted in those ways? This prayer also asks for you to be filled. We are filled by many things. Some help us to pour out to others, while some are a bit more fleeting. Are you feeling empty or full right now? What is draining you, and what is filling you in a way that seems to hint towards God's fullness? Paul says that God is able to accomplish far more than we ask or imagine by the power of the Spirit at work within us. How does it feel to be told you can accomplish more than you believe? Can you open your heart to God's Spirit in new ways and accept something beyond your imagining?